Today, showers likely. Highs in the low 60s, lows in the mid-50s. Tomorrow, a severe weather outbreak will occur over the listing area. We recommend listening to NOAA weather radio or other news sources for more information. Sunday, sunny, highs in the low 80s, lows in the upper 60s. The Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has issued a tornado watch for northeastern Oklahoma. This includes the following Oklahoma counties: Pawnee, Osage, Creek, Tulsa, Washington, Nowata, Craig, Ottawa, Rogers, Maize, Delaware, Okmulgee, Muskogee, Cherokee, Adair, and Sequoia. This watch is effective until 11:56 p.m. CDT. What? Severe weather may impact the watch area. Tornadoes and large hail cannot be ruled out. Impacts: large hail may cause damage to roofs, siding, and windows. High winds may blow down power lines. Please stay tuned to local news stations or NOAA weather radio for more information. The National Weather Service in Tulsa, Oklahoma has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Eastern Pawnee County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma. Effective until 7:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:28 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located around 6 miles east of Cleveland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards: 65 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Impacts: damage to roofs and siding may occur. Move to a central part of a home. Cities in the warning area include Cleveland, Blackburn, and Osage City. The National Weather Service in Tulsa, Oklahoma has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma. Effective until 7:40 a.m. CDT. At 6:40 a.m. CDT, a line of severe thunderstorms was reported from 1.5 miles south of Elgin to 2.5 miles from Sperry. Hazards: 90 miles an hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. Impact: damage to roof and siding will occur. Power lines may fall and vehicles may experience hail damage. This storm will be at the following cities: Bartlesville and Nowata. The National Weather Service in Tulsa, Oklahoma has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Northeastern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, West Central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma. Effective until 7:55 a.m. CDT. At 7:05 a.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Manford, moving nearly 30 miles per hour. This is a supercell storm. Supercell storms can produce all types of severe weather, including tornadoes. Hazards: 100 miles an hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. A tornado may form with the storm system. Impacts: damages to roofs and siding may occur, power lines may fall. The storm will be at the following locations: Manford and Sand Springs. The National Weather Service in Tulsa, Oklahoma has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: northern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma. Effective until 7:40 p.m. CDT. Tornado emergency for the city of Sperry. At 7:15 p.m. EDT, trained weather spotters reported a tornado on the ground 1 mile east of Sperry, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Sperry and northern Tulsa County. Please take shelter underground or in the most central part of your home. Hazards: tornado and golf ball-sized hail. Impacts: tornadoes may injure or kill anyone outdoors. Tree and power lines may fall. The National Weather Service in Tulsa, Oklahoma has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma. Effective until 8:15 a.m. CDT. At 7:15 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over downtown Tulsa, remaining nearly stationary. This is a supercell thunderstorm. Supercell storms can produce all types of severe weather, including tornadoes. Hazards: 100 miles an hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. This storm is producing tornado-like wind speeds. Impacts: damages to roofs and siding will occur, vehicles may be damaged by hail. Trees and power lines may be blown down. Cities in the path of the storm include Tulsa, downtown Tulsa. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for east central Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, west central Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, effective until 8:20 a.m. CDT at 7:40 m CDT. Trained spotters reported a tornado on the ground around 7 miles west of Bartlesville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Bartlesville. Hazard: tornado. Impacts: isolated objects may become projectiles. This tornado will be in Okasa now, Bartlesville and Dewey at 7:50 a.m., and Nowata at 8:20 a.m. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, effective until 8:30 a.m. EDT. Tornado emergency for the city of Tulsa. At 7:50 a.m. EDT, a confirmed large and deadly tornado was located 5 miles west of the city of Tulsa, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazards: deadly tornado. Impacts: people outdoors will be injured or killed. Objects may become projectiles. This tornado will be at Sand Spring now, downtown Tulsa at 8:10 a.m. Special weather statement for Creek, Osage, Tulsa, and Wagoner counties. Effective until 10:30 a.m. The tornado warning for central Tulsa County has been extended into southwestern Osage and northwestern Wagoner counties. This tornado has caused extreme to catastrophic damage to the city of Sand Springs and will continue to move east through downtown Tulsa, then towards the Broken Arrow. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for more information on the dangerous situation. Civil emergency message in effect. The following message has been issued at the request of the Oklahoma Emergency Management Agency, and the National Weather Service in Tulsa, Oklahoma. A large and extremely dangerous tornado has caused catastrophic damage across Tulsa County. All peoples located in the county of Tulsa are requested to seek an underground shelter immediately. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Meyer County in northeastern Oklahoma, Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma. Effective until 10:40 a.m. CDT. At 9:50 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Coweta, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a supercell thunderstorm. Supercell storms can produce all types of severe weather, including tornadoes. Hazards: 100 miles an hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. This storm is producing tornado-like wind speeds. Impacts: damages to roofs and siding will occur, vehicles may be damaged by hail. Trees and power lines may be blown down. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for the following county: Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma. Effective until 10:50 a.m. CDT. Tornado emergency for all of Delaware County. At 10:04 p.m., trained spotters reported a large and dangerous tornado 3 miles east of Cleora, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: deadly tornado. Impacts people outdoors will be injured or killed. Objects may become projectiles. This tornado will be at Cleora now, Monkey Island at 10:10 a.m., Jay at 10:25 a.m., and Concord at 10:45 a.m.
An administrative message has been issued. Tune to Channel 2 for more information.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Emergency Management. The severe storms that impacted northeastern Oklahoma have ended. However, multiple areas have experienced catastrophic damage. Rescue efforts have started. Please tune into NOAA Weather Radio or other weather stations for more information.